Ating first question. Siya po ang magtatanong. Okay, so, let's go to... ako pala ang magtatanong. Ito ay mula sa Star Music. Yes. What musical direction or changes should fans expect from you?
Musical direction? I really started naman my music abroad using the Philippine music, the OPM factor and the OPM side of my music. So I think there would be an exciting news lang, pero pag pinag-usapan yung change, wala. I really wanted to continue with the music track and the music roadmap that I have started. So hopefully magiging global din siya using dun sa mga, with the help of the people that really works in music here and abroad. So I'm just blessed na I have the best of both worlds, Asia and America, or Philippines and America. Parang imposible na hindi tayo mapapansin.
Yeah, at ito na nga, binuksan mo talaga lalo wide open yung mga pinto towards global success for the Filipinos na nangangarap din tulad mo. Okay, now ito naman, siya na ang magtatanong. We have our friend from Rappler, Philip Martin Matel. Hi!
Hi! Hello! So Fronyo, congratulations. Welcome home dito sa ABS-CBN. Tanong ko lang, since naipamalas mo na yung talento mo sa world stage, naipakita mo ang galing ng Pilipino, sino ba yung parang pangarap mo na makaduet ba sa, kumbaga, maglabas ka ng new music o kaya ng cover in the future?
Are we talking about the Philippines?
Either local or international.
I would start internationally since I am recognized in America. The dream duet would be Michael Bublé in a record, of course, and I think there would be a chance also to record with an international Filipino, Nicole, maybe Miss Lea Salonga, or Olivia Rodrigo, kung ano man yung mga, or her, yung mga Filipinos na kilala na sila abroad, Apple Diap, ayun, marami pang mga international dreams, and I think that is really a possibility now that I am working with people that's really good in music. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. When you mentioned Nicole Scherzinger, no?
Yes.
Oo, ang dami nga nating mga
Pinoy na Filipino na nakilala na doon. Dream pa lang naman yun. Of course, don't forget Bruno Mars. Oh my God, Bruno Mars.
Uy, pwede bagay! Pakiunang kayo ng hat eh. Di ba may hat? Oo. Yes, wait lang, sundutin ko na rin yun. Oo. Hindi nyo pa ba napapag-usapan ni Coach Michael? Yung possible collaboration, like baka napagkwentuhan niya na I would love to do this song with you, gano'n.
Actually, may mga napag-usapan na, and dahil nga, di ba, kaka-recent lang nung LA fire, so yung mga trabaho kasi doon medyo naging delay, and nasa Vancouver din siya, and then he's been making some other things than music itself and the voice. So, remote lang yung communication namin, and even last night, supposedly mag-usap kami. He called me, kaso hindi ko siya nasagot kasi nakalimutan niya yata na nasa Pilipinas ako. He called me at 3 a.m. So sabi ko, morning ko na siya nasagot. Sabi niya, sige bukas na lang tayo mag-usap. So, ganun pa rin yung communication namin. It's very, very active. So, yeah, excited ako.
3 a.m. tumatawag si Michael Bublé. Nakakilig naman yun.
Sobra.
Isa ko pang sundot din sa question ni Philip. How about local? Meron ka bang gustong maka-collaborate?
OPM icons for sure. Pinaka-dream ko talaga to work is Regine Velasquez, Mr. Ryan Cayabyab, our national artist, Sir Louie Ocampo, and Ogie Alcacid, Martin Rivera, lahat po ng Gary Valenciano, lahat ng icons na sobrang naging pillars na sila ng OPM music. If I would be given the chance, I would be very, very excited to work with them. Especially, I had the chance to perform nung recently nag-concert yung OAC, Sir Ogie Alcacid, Louie Ocampo, and Mr. Ryan Cayabyab. I had a glimpse of how it is so awesome to be performing on stage or just people watching na grabe dati napapanood ko lang to sila or dati ko na silang recognize as their icon names and now I am singing and performing with them. So it would be my honor talaga.
And you also mentioned niya, si Miss Regine.
Mhm.
I saw one of your interviews na medyo may influence or merong role pala si Miss Regine dun sa iyong journey sa The Voice.
Alam naman natin, Miss Regine has been the kumbaga most sought after artist and singer in the Philippines. Siya yung pinaka-standard sa pagkakaalam ko. And I could also be wrong. But for my generation, she has went through a lot of kumbaga recognition na talagang deserve niya yung pangalan niyang Regine Velasquez. So, nung nasa The Voice ako, I really used that factor na kung si Miss Regine ay na-transcend niya lahat yung energy niya with music, not just in the Philippines, not in Asia, but internationally and globally, it might as well work for me. So I tried and it really worked.
Chinanel mo.
Oo, chinanel ko yung pagka-Regine. No? Yun pala yung magiging factor pala yung hindi lang pala babae at lalaki, hindi pala limited yung sa panahon ngayon, hindi na limited sa pagiging babae kung gusto mong maging Regine Velasquez. Kasi nagbigyan ko nga ng chance na to explore how Miss Regine is performing or how is she on stage.
In-apply mo yung style niya sa boses mo. Ganun.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
And congratulations talaga dahil
Thank
nag-work
you.
nga naman
Nag-work
talaga.
talaga.
Oo. Pero of course you have your own style and we're so proud of you sa
Minanage ko na lang
mo.
minanage ko na lang yung how to showcase it through the Sofronio way. Yeah.
Feeling ko parang kinailangan mo lang din ng confidence. Kung si
ito
Ate
yan,
Rich nga
Ate Rich nga,
kinaya. Yes. Pero sa ngayon, let's go to our next friend from the media. It's such an honor. Kasama po natin siya ngayon from ABS-CBN News TV Patrol, Mr. MJ Felipe!
Yay!
Congrats, Sof! No, na-curious na kanina kasi sinabi na surprise na merong live story special na gagawin sa'yo. May mga details na ba to? Like, who would you wish to play Sofronio's role? O ikaw mismo yung gaganap nun? Aarte ka na rin ba?
Alam mo, pag tinatanong talaga ako, actually nagkaroon na kasi talaga kami ng meeting, meron ng briefing, meron ng storytelling, meron ng interview, and tinatanong ako kung excited ba ako to act on. Kaso, na-challenge mo ako, sabi ko mukhang gusto ko na lang kumanta, pero kung balak talaga nilang ipasok ako, Batang Quiapo na lang kahit yung mafia yung role ko. Wag lang yung iyak-iyak kasi hindi ko kaya yata, pero hindi ko alam. I mean, everything now is a possibility, so I'm just blessed.
Pero do you have a wish list? Sino gusto mong gumanap na Sofronio?
I am so hooked up with the new teleserye now. It's been so famous, Incognito. Yeah, so sana mabigyan ako ng pagkakataon. Elijah Canlas would be a great one.
Yes.
He's really good in acting. Yeah.
Tsaka kumakanta rin siya.
See? Sana.
Good choice.
Pero mukhang medyo mas payat siya sa akin. Kailangan yata. Yeah.
Alright, thanks, Sof.
Thank you, Mr.